Diane, tell her when she gets up there to raise a dump truck again, named Dump. Done with the choke about halfway out. Tell her, Aaron, push the clutch in and pull that one lever, and then pull the one you let down, pull it back. Push the clutch in, push the one forward. Alright, now pull. You'll hear it go in gear. Let the choke out. Push one lever till you hear that grinding sound. Let the choke out after you move it. Did you move it? Let the choke out after you move it.